But if you can't do any of that, at least know that there is a way to do this. And that's simply to set up a trading regimen. Use your trading to acquire skills instead of trading to make money. The money will be a byproduct of the level of skills that you've acquired. And to set up a trading regimen that is specifically designed to learn to believe those 5 fundamental truths. I'm going to say it again. To set up a trading regimen that is specifically designed to do one thing and one thing only, and everything else is not irrelevant but of secondary importance. To believe those at a core level of your trading identity in an unconflicted way. To believe those truths. So how would I do that? It's not that hard, really. I mean, I'm saying it's not that hard to set it up. You might find it hard to do. Might find it very hard to do. Anyway, the way I what's that? Yeah, the way I suggest to do it is to create a mechanical system. Now, is to take, when I say mechanical set of variables, I mean exactly that. Where your entries have to be, your entry signals have to be precise. Where there's absolutely no subjectivity whatsoever as to whether or not this signal or this particular edge is present or not. No subjectivity. And your exits have to be precise. As a matter of fact, probably the best way to do this exercise, especially if you guys if you trade electronically and you do it and you trade the E-mini S&Ps or the NASDAQ, is to set up a trading exercise in which you go like 2 for 2 in the S&P, risk 2 to make 2, or 5 for 5 in the NASDAQ. Those are pretty easy parameters to work with. In other words, whatever comes first. So you don't have to make a judgment about where to take profits or where to take losses, for that matter. And